In this video, I will show you how to add logo on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, just click on this customize right here. And then from in here, you can see in here your Shopify editor. Now on the Shopify editor that will open, you can see this second icon right here, which is the theme settings. Click on this logo, click on the select image, then select the image that you want to use as logo. And then once you have selected that, just click on this save option right here in order to save the progress that you have made. After that, exit your editor, and then from in here, scroll and click on the three dots on your theme. Click on this edit default theme content, and then from in here, you can see all the default theme content that you have on this particular theme. So it may take some time for this to load, but once it's loaded, you can see this all throughout. Now this is what it will look like. Just search in here for logo. And then once you have seen here the logo, you can actually head over and add this right here. Next thing is to head over to preferences. Scroll down and you can see in here the social sharing image. You can change it from in here, but as you can see, it's already been added since I already added it in Shopify editor. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.